Okay. Kristen's dog is having a little problem with staying down there. She keeps coming up here, over here, on here, and she's trying to block off the way, but the dog just can't seem to learn. As you see, she's trying to tease her, which is working. If you look at her wagging her tail, she thinks it's a game. Well, she's going to try it again. Oh, there she is again! Yeah, I think she thinks you're playing with her. Get in the house. Get in the house.